Hi Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name's Nicole from Mecca Maxima. Everybody makes mistakes while doing their makeup. It's really no big deal. I'm gonna show you how to fix 3 of the most common ones. Beauty mistake 1, when you overdo your bronzer and contour. I've gone a little bit too far. To fix this, I'm gonna take Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. So I'm gonna pack it on the brush and sweep it over the bronzer and contour to erase what we've done. It's like magic. Beauty mistake number 2, when you overdo your winged liner. Doesn't this happen every time you do your winged liner, overdoing one side and not the other? To even up these babies, I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Vanilla. To apply the concealer, I'm going to use a flat paddle brush. It's the best way to get a sharp line. And now they're both matching. Beauty mistake number 3, when you accidentally smudge your mascara. Don't you hate when this happens? Don't panic, the key is letting it dry, and while you're waiting you can finish off the rest of your makeup. So now that's dry, I'm going to take a spoolie and brush it off. Ta-da! It's literally vanished. So these are my common beauty mistakes solved. So what are your beauty mistakes? Let me know in the comments below and I'll show you how to fix them. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.